hear it at the end. It's this Civic. I'll move out of my way. There, right there. It's climbing, no power almost. Barely climbing from 45 to 50. That's where I live. It's beautiful. Okay. Probably do it right here, so. Ooh. Right there, that wasn't awesome. Absolutely no power. Yeah, that's new. Usually it's never really delayed. If it is, it's when when I'm catching the automatic in a weird time, but never just coasting like that. Oh yeah, it's slipping. Oh god, yeah, I don't even feel it hardly. Hope y'all can notice that in the video, or sense it. I know it's kind of hard to get a feel for what's wrong with a car if you're not driving it, but I figured this video might help. And if I sound stupid, don't make fun of me. I halfway don't know what I'm talking about. There's my friend's Acura. I'm parked next to him. There's a nice ass Jeep. Oh, he's actually in my class right now. Fucking algebra. Alright, well, I hope that helped y'all figure out what I feel like I should be paying y'all for all this shit. But yeah, thanks again for all the help on the org, and I hope this helps us understand what the fuck's wrong with my car.